I dived deep into some of the easiest side hustles on the planet and discovered 3 that nobody is talking about. You don't need a website or ingenious ideas to make thousands per month online. Heck, you don't even have to be a hard worker because AI does 90% of the work for you. Now it's time to channel your inner child because the 3 that I've uncovered are not just playful, they're also profitable. In this video, I'm about to break down all 3 side hustles, what they are, why they work, and how you can start them today, proving that anyone can do this. Remember when every why and what's that as a kid led to an adventure? Imagine holding a little card that's like the secret to unlocking the fun of learning new words and numbers. It's like a game where each card is a level up, and before you know it, you're smarter without even trying. That is the kind of magic that these cards hold, turning playtime into learning time in the blink of an eye. I'm talking about flashcards, and imagine if I told you that you could use AI to generate and sell these little cards for thousands of dollars per month. When you search flashcards on Etsy, you'll see that there is a ton of choices. But don't worry about the big numbers you see because we have a smart way that we can stand out. Flashcards are just simple images that help people learn and remember things, and we're gonna make this our star product. I've looked into it, and these flashcards are hot items right now. Some sellers are making good money, like $1,400 a month for one product, and even smaller shops are bringing in around $400. When you're starting out, it's tough to get noticed in a crowded market, but here's one neat trick. When you go to Etsy search bar, hit space after your search term. This will help you find smaller, specific areas with less competition. Let's say we search for study flashcards. We might only get 5,000 results, but this is way easier to target than the bigger categories. And the fewer smaller products there are, then the better your chance of selling. So some of these top sellers in these smaller categories, they're making up to $7,000 a month off one product. Now, how can we make our own awesome flashcards that use AI? Here's a simple trick. We're going to use ChatGPT to brainstorm some ideas, and then we're going to use another AI tool to create those images. Imagine that we want to make flashcards for studying maybe. First, we're going to head over to ChatGPT and ask for a list of study topics. Choose one of them and then ask for flashcards on that idea of the topic. Let's say we choose science facts. ChatGPT will now give us a bunch of ideas for flashcards. Next, we're going to use an AI art tool called Midjourney. We're going to take those ideas that we got from ChatGPT and we're going to turn them into clear instructions for Midjourney to understand. This is like the way we prompt ChatGPT. We're going to prompt Midjourney for our images. We could even ask ChatGPT to write out these instructions, and then once we've got those prompts, we're going to put them into Midjourney to get our images out. You can see the flashcards on the screen, and the last step is just to clean them up, remove the background, and then they're pretty much ready to go. This way you can create something unique that really can stand out and catch someone's eye when they're looking for flashcards. Remember the fun of finding the perfect sticker and sticking it on something important to you when you was a little kid? It was like throwing around a little party for yourself, and each sticker was like a burst of color, a little celebration, or a way to say, this is who I am. So these are more than just fun pictures that you decorate with. They could be a high five for a job well done, a personal touch to add to your stuff, or even a story told on things that you carry around with you every day. And guess what? Now people are using AI to create all kinds of cool stickers, and they're selling them for thousands. Now, looking for stickers for kids on Etsy can be like looking for a needle in a haystack. There are so many, but if we look at stickers that are narrowed down into a niche, then we can get a much smaller search result. So now we're going to look for stickers for learning, and don't worry about all the other stickers out there because we have a smart way we can find our spot. Kids stickers on Etsy are just fun pictures that make things like pencils and notebooks more exciting, and that's exactly what we're going to make. I've checked and these stickers are selling like hotcakes on Etsy, so some people are making over $1,000 a month by selling these. But when you're starting out, it can be super hard to get noticed. So we're going to use that trick that we used before where we type what we want to sell and then we're going to hit the space bar, and that allows us to see the smaller groups that we can sell to. Now let's let's say we look for animal stickers for kids maybe. We're going to get way fewer search results, but that is exactly what we want because that means there's way less competition. Some folks in these smaller niches are making thousands of dollars per month. Okay, so how are we going to make our stickers? Like before, we're going to head straight back to ChatGPT and say we want to make fun animal stickers about the alphabet maybe. So we're going to head over and ask it for ideas, and then it's going to spit out a bunch for us. Same as before, we're going to use Midjourney to design our stickers. We're simply going to put the prompt in and the ideas into Midjourney, and the pictures just come out, and it is as easy as that. We'll see the stickers on the screen now, and the last thing you want to do is just clean them up and they're literally ready to sell. So that is a cool way of making some kids stickers and having a good chance to sell them for tons of money on Etsy. Imagine a child's room where a special poster hangs on the wall. It's a bright and colorful picture that shows the stars and planets, maybe even the twisty shape of DNA or the big events of history. This isn't just a regular poster, it's like a quiet teacher that's always there. Every time the child looks at it, they can learn something new about the world. And it's not about making the room look nice. This poster is a window to all sorts of amazing things. This is inspiring the child to learn and dream every single day. So let's shift gears to another exciting product. Educational posters for kids. There's a seller on Etsy right now that's absolutely nailing it with this concept. They're raking in over $10,000 by offering printable educational posters. So let's guide you through crafting your own, and it's easier than you might think. Educational posters can cover a myriad of subjects, but for our example, let's pick a fun and colorful theme like dinosaurs. I actually got this poster off Etsy from a seller doing exactly the same thing, and they had one product that had made over $13,000. So our starting point is always ChatGPT, and it's super quick to ask for a list of dinosaurs. And then we're going to head over to Midjourney again and generate the graphics. And here we'll be aiming to match the vibrant and engaging style that kids love. Now, take a look because our versions are just as eye-catching as our competitors, which is perfect. The final step is to pull everything together into a poster design, and we're going to use Canva for this. This is where you can actually arrange all of those dinosaur graphics and label each one of them. Once you're finished, these posters can be listed as either digital downloads or physical prints for sale. And here's the pro tip. Educational posters are not just about looking good. They should spark curiosity and learning. So when you're choosing your themes, think about what might excite and educate the child at the same time. Now let's talk about the process a little bit more. So you might think that creating educational content from scratch is time consuming, but it doesn't have to be. With the AI tools at our disposal, we can generate accurate and engaging images that capture the essence of our theme. Once you have your images, it's basically all about the layout and the design. So Canva is a great resource for this. It offers user-friendly interface and a variety of templates to help you get started. This approach to educational posters not only saves you time, but also allows you to tap into a market that's eager for quality learning materials. With a little creativity and the right tools, you can create posters that are both educational and visually appealing. AI might be the talk of the town right now, but it is nothing compared to my super simple $250,000 side hustle that I started 10 months ago. Well, the secret's out and it's all in this video.